What is additional paid-in capital, APIC? Additional paid-in capital, also called APIC, is the amount of money investors pay to a company above the par value of its shares when buying stock. In simple words, APIC is the extra money shareholders pay beyond the official share value. When a company issues shares, each share has a small nominal value called par value. However, investors usually pay more than this par value because they believe the company has higher market worth. The difference between the selling price and the par value is recorded as additional paid-in capital. For example, suppose a company issues a share with a par value of $1 but sells it for $10. $1 is recorded as share capital. The extra $9 is recorded as additional paid-in capital. APIC is shown in the shareholders' equity section of the balance sheet. It represents funds contributed by investors, not profits earned by the company. Therefore, APIC is different from retained earnings, which come from business operations. Companies use APIC to finance growth, expand operations, or invest in new projects without borrowing money. APIC can increase when new shares are issued at a premium price. It may also change during stock-based compensation or conversion of securities. Investors analyze APIC to understand how much capital shareholders have invested directly into the company. A high APIC often indicates strong investor confidence. In simple terms, additional paid-in capital is the extra investment shareholders contribute above the share's basic value. Easy way to remember. APIC means extra money paid by investors beyond par value.